If you find yourself emulating a Windows PC game with GameHub on Android, but you've noticed there are on-screen controls when you don't need them, then you actually have two different ways of making them disappear. Firstly, you'll want to swipe in from either edge of the screen, and you can simply choose to disable touch controls from here if you want. You can see they have disappeared, and now they cannot be used. But if you find that you still need them sometimes, instead of turning them off completely, we do have the ability to adjust the touch control opacity. So if you wanted, you could bring these all the way down to 0, which will allow you to continue interacting with the game itself.